so much fun. I just know Clarence will come back.
To market, to buy a fat pig. Home again, jiggity jig. To market, to buy a fat hog. Home again, jiggity jog.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again.
Now listen carefully and do what I do.
Okay.
Here we go. This is the way the ladies ride. Trippity-trip, trippity-trip. This is the way the ladies ride. Trippity-trippity-trip. This is the way the gentlemen ride. Gallop-a-trot, gallop-a-trot. This is the way the gentlemen ride. Gallop-a-trot. This is the way the farmers ride. Hobble-de-hoy, hobble-de-hoy. This is the way the farmers ride. Hobble-de-hoy.
Sounds good.
I like that one.